Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to A Cup of Sin. So this is Becoming Korean, the food tour. Uh, the fan club project, Hurts Like Brand New Shoes, is available on Amazon, Barnes& and Nobles. Grab it, my website, centrinapalmer.com. Okay, Hurts Like Brand New Shoes. Don't know what he's saying or what this is about. I would say it's an ice cream truck, but I don't.
Good job, baby. Good job. There's my baby doing her Jose Canseco imitation, impression. Boom. Hit her outfield, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Keep your eye on the ball, baby. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Oh.
So I began to acclimate myself to South Korea. There are so many coffee shops, so I feel right at home. I was sitting outside on the balcony, and I'm assuming this is like a butterfly or something, and it flew right up on me. Gosh, look how when you zoom into the skin, it looks kind of weird. But this is life in South Korea before the global pandemic. And Miss Moon Chicken, this was one of the first chicken places we found. Very good chicken. Her chicken even boasts to help skin. It says it has estrogen. So Miss Moon Chicken Mania. We happened to Mr. Parks, rest in peace to his Jersey shop, and I rep my city wherever I go. Okay, so these are a couple of jerseys that hubby got for me. And speaking of which, when we first got here, he worked, and I would just kind of be on my chocolate Dora the Explorer. And he would go and bring home the bacon, and I would cook it up in a pan. Ciao, baby. And so back to Miss Moon. Like there, it states that it's good for your skin. The chicken is good. I enjoyed it. My husband still patronizes Mrs. Moon. We've been here now 2.5 years. And she is very kind, and wow, she looks great. Her skin, maybe the chicken does contain something for the skin because she looks great. And these are some views of her dishes. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so I'm gonna do something else.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Slow, slow.
Okay, slow.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, yeah. 이거 담지 마, 이거.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Yeah, okay. 이것도.
Okay, so let's see. Try. Okay, and then okay.
Yeah, good.
I'm still horrible with chopsticks, but I appreciate her trying to help me. This is Rara Cost. This is my favorite restaurant. This is my favorite dish. It kind of reminds me of like a seafood paella, but it's Korean style. And I don't know how many of these dishes I've had. Also, my husband enjoys it as well. Hello? 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 I don't know who they are, so I'm not going to open the gate. Although I do enjoy the Korean dishes, there are times that I really appreciate a taste of home. And this is my darling husband coming home on lunch break to bring me Popeye's fried chicken and a cup of Starbucks. Love that chicken from Popeyes. And in some of my videos, you notice I'm always sweating. This is why we typically go out during the most warmest days. And like that day, it was 97. And these are just street views of the marketplace. And this is a famous Korean dish. You typically eat this when it gets cold here.